Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you a cool tip how you can download any video from your Instagram to your iPhone gallery. There are a lot of methods you can download Instagram videos to your iPhone photo gallery, but I think this is the easiest and the newest one, and also this method is compatible with iOS 15 and above. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. So all you need to do is go to your App Store and download this application, Repost for Instagram. So when you type in Repost for Instagram, you get a lot of options. You will find a lot of applications on the same name, but we are actually looking for this one with the white background and blue arrows. Click on download. Just to make sure you download the right application, I will also provide you the link of this application in the description below. So once you download, open the application. Now this is how it looks. Now go out of your application and open Instagram. Now let's go to Samsung India Post. So once you have Repost for Instagram downloaded, you can download any Instagram videos. It can be Instagram stories, it can be an IGTV video, it can be a reel. So any Instagram video can be downloaded by this application. Let's start with the Instagram stories. For example, this video. To download this Instagram story, all you need to do is click on these three dots and copy the link. And now go to the Repost for Instagram application. You can see automatically it will start to download the video. But since it's an Instagram story, you need to log into your ID to download the video. Now guys, only for Instagram stories you need to sign into your Instagram account. Otherwise, you can just download it directly. So click on sign in and put your Instagram credentials. So only for stories you need to log into your Instagram account for your Repost for Instagram application. Now click over here. So this is the video, let's play it. Now to download this video, click on this up arrow icon. And here is the option to save the video. So once you click over here, it will save it to your photo gallery. Repost would like to add to your photos. Okay. As you can see, it's showing it's saved. So go to your photos and this is the video. Let's play the video, and also you can see the audio has been downloaded. So we have the video and the audio downloaded together. So this was the Instagram story. To download Instagram reel or IGTV video, it's much more easier. For example, let's click over here. Now this is the Instagram reel. Again, you need to click on these three dots, copy the link, and you go back to Repost for Instagram. You will see automatically it will start to download. So once you copy any link, it will automatically start to download on your Repost for Instagram application. Again, click over here and click on this up arrow icon. And all you need to do is just click on save the video option. So the video is saved. Now go back to your gallery and here it is. The video has been downloaded. Let's go to Instagram again. Let's go to an IGTV video, for example this one. Again, you click on these three dots, copy the link. So once you copy any link, it will automatically start to download the video. Click over here, again up arrow, and again you have the option to save the video. And here's the video, it's saved in your photo gallery. And this is the video you just downloaded. Let's play the video and the audio. Wasn't it easy, guys? So just like this, if you would like to download any IGTV video or reel or a story, it's super easy. All you need to do is download this application called Repost for Instagram, and you can keep on downloading all the videos to your photo gallery. I think this is one of the most easiest method to download videos of Instagram to your photo gallery. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you all soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.